How do maritime archaeologists explore ancient shipwrecks? Imagine uncovering a hidden world beneath the waves, where centuries-old ships rest silently on the seafloor. That's what maritime archaeologists do. They bring history back to life by exploring these underwater time capsules. But how exactly do they do it? Let's take a closer look. First, they start with finding the shipwrecks. They use special equipment like side-scan sonar, which sends sound waves across the ocean floor and creates detailed images. These images help identify unusual shapes or structures that could be shipwrecks. Magnetometers are also used to detect metal objects buried under sediments, especially if the ship was made of iron or steel. Multi-beam echo sounders map the seafloor's shape, revealing bumps or depressions that might be wreck sites. Sometimes, they use sub-bottom profilers to see beneath the surface layers of sediment, uncovering buried parts of the wreck. Once a promising site is found, the real exploration begins. They deploy underwater robots called remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs. These are tethered to a ship and controlled from the surface, equipped with cameras and sensors. ROVs can reach deep waters where divers cannot go safely. They provide real-time video footage and environmental data. For shallower sites, divers may also be involved, carefully examining and recording the wreck. To document the site thoroughly, archaeologists use photogrammetry, which involves taking many overlapping photos from different angles. These photos are processed into detailed three-dimensional models of the wreck. This helps scientists analyze the ship's construction and layout without disturbing the site. They also combine sonar, magnetometer, and photogrammetry data to create complete maps of the site. Understanding the environment around the wreck is equally important. Researchers analyze sediment cores and study the surrounding landscape to see how the ship ended up where it did and how it has changed over time. Throughout the process, strict protocols are followed to avoid damaging the site. They document everything carefully and often leave the wreck in place, respecting international rules that protect underwater cultural heritage. In some cases, artifacts are recovered, but only when necessary and with proper care. All these methods work together to reveal the stories of these ancient ships, helping us learn about past civilizations and maritime history. So, through a mix of high-tech tools, careful planning, and teamwork, maritime archaeologists bring these submerged stories back to life for everyone to understand.